Novavax announcing it's starting a phase 3 trial in the UK of its potential COVID-19 vaccine. It plans to enroll up to 10,000 volunteers ages 18 to 84 in the UK. We talked with Dr. Gregory Glenn, Novavax's head of R&D, earlier about enrolling there. Here's what he said.
Looks like the UK is going to have a massive surge in cases, and we'll be there. So that's going to be the art, is getting enough cases to declare success.
And guys, they are probably a few weeks away from starting their phase 3 trial in the United States. Dr. Moncef Slaoui from Operation Warp Speed saying in a briefing yesterday they were expected to start in a couple weeks in October in the U.S. Novavax shares there up 5%, guys. Back over to you.
Meg, I just wonder if, one of the silver linings of this depressing second wave or surge in cases that we're getting in places like the UK and in the US, in a way, is helpful for these vaccine makers, because they get a lot of people and a lot of ways to test the efficacy of the vaccine, and therefore we can get these vaccines hopefully even sooner.
Yeah, the infection rates are directly correlated with how quickly we will get data from these trials if the companies are enrolling in places with high infection rates. And so that's what Novavax was talking about there with starting in the UK. And he noted in our interview earlier that you can track the pandemic by the zip code here in the U.S. and enroll in the proper places where you're seeing high infection. And so that should speed up gathering data in these trials.
Albeit more cases is never a good thing. You don't need tens of thousands of more cases to get an effective vaccine ultimately. Meg, just timeline again, I always ask you this, but various analysts still saying that realistically Q2 next year is still the only, the first time we'll get anything broadly accepted and widely used?
Well, the question, of course, is broadly and widely. We could see the potential first approvals very narrowly by the end of this year, but because of limited supply, it's going to take into mid next year for everybody who wants a vaccine to be able to get one, according to experts I talked to.